Just happy Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan. Happy Ramadan.
Happy Ramadan, and thank you for having us.
Thank you, sir. Here with us is police that with his team. So, sir, what is your message on the month of Ramadan?
Just happy Ramadan, and thank you for having us coming out here tonight. And just it was a pleasure interacting with the community out here and passing out food for fasting.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum. Happy Ramadan. We are here at Medina Masjid Carrollton. Here with us is City Police Carrollton, and 500 food boxes were distributed. So, sir, first of all, tell us what was your experience so far today?
Oh, this has been a wonderful experience. We've had a long time relationship with Medina Masjid, and I know Mr. Romani for many years. And it was an honor for us to come here and to help with handing out the meals today at the end of Ramadan for the evening. So we'd like to thank you for inviting us, and we enjoy our partnership with the Medina Masjid.
Especially the Carrollton is a very diversified community of different people from different countries, and the presence of police with this community make a huge difference. So how the people felt today when they saw the local officials, especially the police department is here, how they felt?
This community is very inclusive. We are representative by multiple cultures in the city of Carrollton, and we enjoy the benefits and differences in all of them. So Carrollton is where connections happen, and we welcome all cultures here. It's a vibrant community, and we're very happy to have you.
Especially in the month of Ramadan, the mosque, they need more security and more safety, and the presence of police, especially like you, make them to worship with the freedom, right?
That's correct. That's correct. And we have a very open communication with all of the mosques in the city of Carrollton. We have good communication and intelligence sharing, and we're always here willing to help wherever you need it.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome.
जी इस वक्त मदीना मस्जिद कैरल्टन के बाहर मौजूद हैं। मदीना मस्जिद कैरल्टन के वॉलंटियर्स इस वक्त 500 फूड बॉक्सेस लोगों के अंदर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं, और इफ्तार का टाइम ऑलमोस्ट हुआ जा रहा है। इस वक्त सिटी ऑफ कैरल्टन के लोकल ऑफिशियल्स, स्पेशली द पुलिस, अपनी टीम के साथ भी जहाँ पे मौजूद है, उन्होंने फूड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन की, आपको दिखाई दे रहा है इस वक्त।